There's some really important events going on today, at least in the US. So I'm going to keep this short. Now, this isn't officially a 2-minute tuts video because it's about a minute longer than the 2 minutes. But if you really like the quick tips, it's still a pretty short video. So last week I talked about how to create a flat sketch on the iPad, and I showed you the mirror function to reflect your sketch. But actually, a lot of artists use this function as well as the other two options to create textile design and pattern design. Well, now those functions have been added to the Illustrator desktop version. So coupled with the pattern tool, this can really up the ante on making Illustrator a great option for textile designers. So let me quickly show you how to use them. Start with your motif or motifs for your print. Select it and go to Object, Repeat. There are 3 options you can choose from, so let's start with the first one. With the radial function, you can repeat a motif in a circular pattern. The circular slider that appears on the selection allows you to increase or decrease the number of instances of the motif that repeat around the circle. With grid, this creates a simple grid repeat with your motif. The circular sliders allow you to increase or decrease the spacing between the motifs. And the elliptical sliders allow you to increase or decrease the number of motifs being shown. The mirror option is what I demonstrated in the last video, and it works the same way here on the desktop. And if you're drawing a flat sketch, the nice thing about using this option as opposed to reflect is that if you had to make any corrections on one side after you've reflected, which happens to me all the time, it will update both sides simultaneously. But in terms of using it to create a textile design, this would be a great option to use for a mirror repeat, which I talked about in this video as a common pattern repeat layout. And as long as you're in the mirror mode, you can update your design of the current pattern, and as I mentioned with the flat sketch, it will update both sides simultaneously. Now, if you don't see the repeat options in your object menu, go to the Creative Cloud app and make sure that you've updated Illustrator. There's a lot you can do with these functions, and I'm excited that Adobe is adding their best ofs to both the iPad and desktop apps. Can't wait to see what they add next. Thanks for watching today's video. I've got some great online digital design classes, both live and pre-recorded, plus some great freebies that you can take advantage of. So make sure you check out the links in the description for more information. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.